Hey everyone, welcome back to tenorshare. iOS 18.2 is finally here. Apple has officially released the exciting new features like Genmoji and Image Playground. So here I will show you how to update your phone and share an alternative way if your phone is stuck during the update. Let's dive in. Upgrading to iOS 18.2 is simple. Just head over to Settings, General and Software Update. Turn on Automatic Updates. Then iOS 18.2 will show up, and hit Download and Install. We'll be fine. Just make sure you have around 15 GB of free space for the download. If your phone got stuck during the update, like it unable to check for update, or got stuck on Update Requested, or you don't have enough space to download the iOS 18.2 package, you can try to update your phone with a computer using ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a powerful tool that can fix all sorts of iOS issues and can help you upgrade and downgrade your phone easily. Check out the description if you are interested. You can download and install ReiBoot on your computer, then connect your iPhone to your computer. Click on iOS Upgrade here, then choose Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically detect the latest iOS 18 version. You can choose the iOS version you like if it's available. Then you need to download the firmware. These firmwares are official Apple firmwares, so they are completely safe. After this, update your iPhone within minutes. No more waiting, no more getting stuck. You can get iOS 18.2 on your phone right away. Just go through the update setup. Then you can enjoy all the new features. If you don't like the new iOS 18 system, or it has some issues like battery drain, you can also use ReiBoot to downgrade your phone. Just click the Downgrade button and download the firmware to downgrade your phone error-free. Okay, hope you can enjoy the new iOS 18.2 system. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to our channel to get more iOS tips. See you in the next video.